All right, man. This is what I'm about to do. I am about to take this Lakers team, and in 3 seasons, I'm going to turn this Lakers team into an NBA champion. That's right. Not just a contender. I'm going to take this Lakers team to the promised land, all the way to the NBA title. I'm going to play the role of Rob Pelinka, and we're going to figure out what we need to do before Luka leaves here to get a championship going. And what I'm going to do now, I'm not even going to play. I'm not going to make any trades or anything right now, but I'm putting guys on the block. I'm going to do what obviously Rob Pelinka don't want to do. So I'm putting guys on the block already. I need to do what I need to do to get the championship. So I'm putting LaRavia, I'm putting Vando, and I'm putting Dalton Connect on the block. I'm putting Thiero on the block as well. What else we got? We need we're gonna go there. We got this 20-year. We're gonna keep him. Alright, so let's simulate right now, at least till I say the trade deadline. See exactly what happened. Because we're gonna make a move depending on how this thing go. We're going to get us a championship, y'all. I'm telling you. I'm going to get Luka and the Lakers title 18 for this team. Luka right now leading the way 24, 7, and 9 for the season. Walker Kessler in second. Then we got Austin Reeves averaging only 11 points a game. We paid Austin Reeves all this money for this production. Jake LaRavia, he is out for 6 to 8 weeks with a lower left stress fracture. So the Lakers are not fully healthy. What is Bronny James doing? Bronny is only averaging 1.5 points a game. He's only played 2 games so far. Maybe we need to do something with Bronny. Do a little let's give Bronny some touches, bro. I ain't lying. I ain't lying. Who else we got up here? Austin Reeves. Oh yeah, you gonna have to do way more than this, G. I know it's only one basketball, but we're gonna need more of that from you. And then also Walker Kessler. Know this is really gonna work, but we're gonna see how this play out. All right, let's simulate the rest of the season. See where the Lakers end up. Can we make the playoffs? I didn't make no trades or anything. I really was thinking about making some trades. I put the trade block. Nothing happened. Contract extension deadline. No, we about to stop simulating. We're going to keep it going. Right now, Luka and the Lakers are in 11th place. But we slipping. 6 games under 500 going into March. The Lakers are not looking very good. They now in 12th place, 32 and 42. I don't know if Luka and the Lakers are going to make the playoffs, y'all. They definitely might not make the play-in. They in 12th. This is over. Luka and the Lakers are going to fall short of the postseason. They go 37 and 45 on the first go-round without LeBron. Now, we got a Rookie of the Year, Jaquez Servin of the Lakers, a guy who I put nothing on. I took his minutes. He wound up being Rookie of the Year, averaging 12 points a game. This is crazy. Anthony Edwards get the MVP, 34, 6, and 5, averaging almost 2 steals a game and a block. Damn, Anthony Edwards went crazy. To the Lakers that we got, Luka got All-NBA second. Walker Kessler All-NBA defensive second. And this kid made the All-NBA first team. Power forward. This is interesting right there. That's going to help us in the future. So we didn't make So Luka's numbers, bro, he was the leader and he went down. Austin Reeves, though, man, only averaged 11 points a game this season. That ain't a good look for all that money they done paid him. What about Walker Kessler? Pretty much nothing new. So we're going to make some adjustments. We damn sure going to make some adjustments. We might as well just simulate these playoffs, see what happened. We lost out this first season. That's cool. Victor and the Spurs. James Harden take the Bulls to the finals. Okay. So let's look at the scores. We got Harden, Powell, Caleb Wilson, Buzelis and Claxton, Wemby, Tobias Harris, Devin Vassell, Stephen Castle, Dylan Harper. I'm giving it to James Harden now. I'm giving it to James Harden now. Oh, Wemby and them got it in 6. Wemby averaged 26, 10, and 4. Finals MVP. All right, so now it's time for us. Now it's time for us to cook up, y'all. This is where we said I think we probably got maybe 2 years left to do some real damage. What we got going on? Who's retiring this season? Who I need to pull out of retirement? LeBron retires, we're going to pull out LeBron. Draymond retires, we're going to pull out Draymond. CJ, I'll let CJ retire. I'm not going to let you retire. I'm not going to let you retire neither. Gary Payton, I know you still in here. I think Valanciunas is still in the league. I'm going to put him back. Why not? I'll bring these big guys back. Harrison Barnes, you're done. DeMarcus, I brought you back last year already, so we're gonna go with that. Are we in the lottery? What is our future looking like with the NBA draft lottery? That's what we're gonna figure this out. No, so we're not in the running at all for the lottery. We can just go ahead and skip that. I'm not really pressed about draft. Let's see what our team options is before we hit free agency. I don't even think we got a lot of money. Jaden Hardy, he declined. I want to bring Jaden Hardy back. Dalton Connect, he accepted, but I'm about to get rid of Dalton Connect. It's been real. I'm keeping Bronny, and I like Adu Thiero. I just think we need to give him a chance. So I'm gonna get rid of Dalton Connect, and I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna keep Jaden Hardy. Even though that's $6 million, that's a cool $12 million getting rid of him and Dalton Connect. But I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna get rid of the 6-7 from Dalton Connect. All right. No qualifying offers. Let's jump into free agency. Let's just see what's going on. Giannis is a free agent again. Giannis is a free agent again. We got Jokic. We got a young rookie of the year. I don't know if we need to bring in a Giannis. We don't. Jokic is better, but we don't. Steph Curry. We don't need Steph. Kyrie. What Luka want to bring? Where does Kyrie fit at? Karl Anthony Towns, Kevin Durant, James Harden, who took Chicago. I don't see nothing rings out to me. I know we got some names, but if we the Lakers, like, which one of these guys is going to help this team? Like, where we weak at? We got Luka, Hardy, and Bronny. I'm good for now at the point. That's a growing point, but we got the superstar. Grimes, Reeves. Oh, Grimes is really Grimes and Reeves. It's that shooting guard spot is really weak to me. These young guys, and then as far as the bigs, what we going to do? Put Kessler on the bench? We already overpaid him, so we can't bring in Jokic. We're not going to move Kessler to the floor, even though we can get rid of him. We Still got my move. It's right here. We got Austin Reeves playing 2-3. He got 1 year left. And Quentin Grimes ain't nobody. I'm thinking we need a 2 guard. Maybe I'll bring Zach LaVine then. Zach LaVine, 3 years. All right, so we'll bring in Zach. I don't know, yo. Do I want to at least try to bring in one of these big guys? When you got these guys available, man. Look, KD. I mean, who can I bring in? Do I want to bring Kevin Durant? Nah. The Luka one, Kyrie. Steph don't make sense. I'm not bringing Giannis. What do I want to do? I mean, let me see what else. I mean, we got some other guys, but I need to win a title now. Guys, I really don't know. On God, I really don't know what I want to do. KD. I'm gonna try to bring in. I don't have enough money to bring in Kevin Durant. All right, cool. What about James Harden? I don't have enough money to bring in James Harden either. I just want to see where I'm at with the money. So I ain't got no money. All right, we just gonna go with what we got. We're gonna go what we got. I hope we was able to sign. I forgot who that was. We about to look at our schedule in a second. Damn. I know this was kind of long, but we gotta get things right, yo. So we got Luka, we got the reigning rookie of the year, Kessler Reeves, Hardy Grimes, Bronny, Carr. Zach LaVine did sign with the Lakers. Okay, Scottie Pippen Jr. also signed with the Lakers. So now, let's look at this rotation. JJ, what are we doing? So we're going to be bringing Reeves at the 2. Quentin Grimes, you're going to sit down somewhere. Zach LaVine is going to be starting at the 3. We're going to start Zach LaVine at the 3. The rookie of the year, he moved up to the starter. We got Kessler. Okay, so that's our 5 right there. I am going to be bringing Jaden Hardy minutes down tremendously. Giving Bronny some bump. Giving Mamu some bump. We still got Vando. I'm making Bronny 6-man. I'm making Bronny 6-man, yo. I'm making Bronny 6-man of the year. Let's get this simulation done. What can the Lakers do in our official season? We start off with losses. Right now, Lakers are 2-5, 2-6, 2-7, 3-7, 3-8. It's a rocky road for these Lakers, yo. I brought in Zach LaVine, but I left all them other names on the table. I couldn't afford it. But there were some names out there, but I did bring in Zach LaVine. I put a little bit of respect on Bronny's name. So Nikola Jokic went to Golden State, and they won the NBA Cup. He won the MVP. We do wind up winning. We got 4 wins in a row, though. 5 wins in a row for the Lakers. 6 in a row. 7. Oh, we was on a 7-game winning streak. Lakers, that was big. Right now, the Lakers are in 6, over 500 going into the new year. Okay, looking a little bit promising. 6th place, in the 5th place, they winning. Look at this. Look at this. Yo, we done turned it around, boys and girls. I'm not even gonna lie, yo. We done turned it around. We in like 5th place. We ain't making no trades. We ain't doing none of that. We ain't messing this up. We going into the All-Star break. We don't want a losing streak. We gotta figure this thing out. We was just in 5th place. We all the way down to 8th. Come on. We want to get into the playoffs. We gotta move it up. The Lakers looking to move into the playoffs. They gotta move it up. Right now, we're going into March. The Lakers are in 8th in the Western Conference. They are 37-31. Pretty impressed by that. Chemistry at a 7%. So Luka got these guys locked in. But they losing games. They currently still ranked 8th. Now they rank 8th, 9th going into the end of March. So it looked like the Lakers are playing with play-in contention, which is an improvement from last season. They now in 10th. They move up to 9th. They lose the last game. They win the last game against the Sacramento Kings. Nikola Jokic won MVP again for the season with Golden State. Did our Lakers make All-NBA? Luka made All-NBA second team again. Walker Kessler made All-NBA defensive first team this year. He was second team last year. He made first team this year. What did he do on the defensive side? Averaged almost 3 blocks and a steal that game, big time. Then we got Luka. What did Luka do for the season? Luka numbers went down. Luka numbers going down. I mean, his assists went up. Playing a little bit better defense. Still shooting. I mean, shooting a little better. I think he's shooting a little better. So I ain't mad at Luka. Playing decent. Got the Lakers into the play-in. They the 10th seed. Facing the Houston Rockets, the young Houston Rockets. Spurs when they play in game. Lakers get eliminated. So they lose by 4 to the Houston Rockets. Oh man, the rookie led the way. We couldn't get that done. What happened to the stars? This was a play-in game. Luka played 32 minutes, was 2. Damn, Luka choked. Luka choked bad. Damn. Luka choked bad. Look at this. Luka was 7-7 and 10. He was 2 of 6 from the field, 0 of 3 from the three-point line in the play-in game. Elimination. A rookie led the way. Damn, yo. I mean, I'm glad we made the play-in, but that's a disappointing way to lose. Anthony Edwards, damn, yo, he's a beast. James Harden go back to Chicago. They doing it again. So we got the Timberwolves and the Bulls. Anthony Edwards back-to-back titles, yo. Wow. All right, this is our last chance to win a title, yo. This is our last chance. We go from no playoffs to a play-in. Now I got to make the play-in. There's no more LeBron. KD's going to come back. Tobias going to come back. James Harden going to come back. Paul George can come back. Kawhi can come back. Jimmy can come back. Steph can come back. Dame can come back. Let me see here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1 Oh boy. Where are we at now? Are we in the lottery now? Are we at least in the lottery now? I believe so. 1.2% chance. So we do get the 13th pick. All right, so the Lakers wind up getting the 13th pick in this upcoming draft. What are the team options? Luka's leaving? Luka leaving, yo. I can't bring Luka back. Luka's leaving. Why? Austin Reeves accepted. I should get rid of Austin Reeves, piece of crap. Hey, I'm gonna keep these young boys. Yo, Luka is leaving. Damn, Lakers. I still got a job to do, though. I still got a job to do. Aduthiero. Luka is leaving. He want a new deal. Luka want a new deal. I'm gonna go for Luka. And how much Steph? I gotta get somebody else so I can get Bobby Portis type niggas. Demonis Sabonis. I can get Demonis Sabonis. Who else? Who else is out here? Who else is out here? I can't get Castle. Nicholas Claxton. I don't want. There's a lot of bigs. I don't need no big help. Paul George. Do I want to finally bring Paul George to the Lakers? I want to bring Paul George. That don't make no sense, bro. But I'm desperate. Bobby Portis Jr. All right, I'm gonna bring Bobby Portis Jr. I'm desperate, y'all. I don't know what's up with Luka. We're gonna get Mitchell and Mitchell Robinson. We're gonna go for Mitch on the backup. And I'm gonna try Paul George. Okay, I can't try Paul George right now. So Porter signed, Mitchell Robinson signed. We announced the rights to Bronny. Luka has decided to sign with the Clippers. You son of a biscuit. Wow, yo. Luka Doncic. You talk about a piece of crap, yo. See, this is what y'all get, man. I don't see him yet. So what we doing? Who? We need a point guard, I guess. We go for Steph. We can't sign Steph. We ain't got no money for nothing. We gotta get out of here. Oh, we got the. How in the world am I gonna win a title with this team, yo? You gotta be kidding me. I got super duped, and he over there with Brandon Ingram and Kristaps Porzingis, Miles Bridges. Damn, son. It left the Lakers hanging. What can I do? I have nothing to give. I literally have nothing to give, bro. Damn, yo. All right, so we stuck with who we stuck with, man. And this is not a good feeling. We definitely putting Grimes on the target. Oh, man. We ain't got nothing. I'm putting Reeves out there, yo. I'm done with Austin Reeves, yo. I'm putting him on the trade block, bro. And I'm putting Mamo on it. I might as well just keep Mamo. What free agents is out there? Darius Garland, DeJounte Murray. Let's get to simulating. We got a trade. Neesmith and Rogers. No, I don't want that. That don't make no sense to me, yo. I don't know what I was thinking that I could turn these Lakers team into a championship, but the fact that Luka left, that's the shit that's crazy to me. Next receive Carr, they want to give me Howard. No, I'm keeping Cameron Carr. I'm keeping Cameron Carr. Lakers are cooked, bro. The Lakers are truly cooked. James Harden and these guys, they want to trade Cameron Carr for Thomas. No. The Kings want Carr. Everybody want Carr. Cavs. Everybody want Carr. I'm not giving away Cameron Carr, even though this is my last opportunity. I ain't seen the deal yet. Going into Christmas, the Lakers are ranked 12th. we believe. No, these are just horrible trades. You know what? We're not doing no more trade offers because y'all keep trying to get somebody that I'm not giving. This just ain't gonna work, y'all. There's no way the Lakers are gonna turn this around before the regular season is over with. You know? This is bad. I hate to say it. The Lakers are not making the play-in again. The Lakers are not going to survive. Today's the trade line. Would you want to stop simulating and make some offers? Yes. We ain't got nothing to offer. What we got? Tyler Hero and Miles Turner. For Austin, everybody want Cam. Dirk, no. Keaton, no. So no. Kyrie and PJ. I don't want to do this, but it really don't make no sense. I'm about to pull the trigger on this dumb trade anyway, though. We trading Tyler Hero and Miles Turner for Austin Reeves and Cameron Carr. Bucks agreed to the offer. Right now, the Lakers are in 12th place. Will this crazy blockbuster move help the Lakers get to the playoffs? Loss. They do get a win going into the All-Star break. Get a win coming out of the All-Star break. So they turning it around. Now they losing again. Still in 12th in the Western Conference. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be enough. Yeah, I think it's over. I had to make that desperate trade, but it's over. The Lakers are about to get eliminated again, yo. 31 games. Victor MVP. Luka, All-NBA, second team. What a bastard. Did the Clippers get into the playoffs? The Clippers did make the playoffs? Wow. That's crazy. They only won 33 games. We won 31. This kid was nice, yo. What Tyler Hero do? Tyler Hero was balling. Damn, yo. I can't believe Luka left. Went to the Clippers. Oh well. A failed simulation indeed. Trying to get the Lakers a championship within the first 3 years. I had no idea. Minnesota going back against Chicago. Chicago this time gets revenge. Buzelis averaged 27 and 2 and 2 steals and 2 blocks in the finals. Damn. James Harden get his ring. So, damn. The Bulls. I don't know what to say about these Lakers, G. And now, look at this team, yo. I brought in Zach LaVine, didn't work. Bronny never made no noise. Now Bronny's gone. All right, man, that was enough of this rebuild for the Lakers. It definitely did not work the way I expected it. Do me a favor still, like, comment, and subscribe, man. 2K7, I tried to keep 2K honest, man. It just didn't work out for us this time. Catch y'all on the next video. You know it.